Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to talk about cookies. Am I talking about these? Obviously not. I'm talking about web cookies. Yes, it's web cookies. I think most of you have seen them at any particular time when we are browsing through the internet. Like, we use cookies to offer better browsing experience. The moment you see this on your screen, I know most of you have accepted this because it leads for better browsing. You see how convincing it is? So, if I say I can log into your social media accounts or any other accounts with this, do you believe me? I'll show you by the end of this video. Let's get started. So, what actually cookies are? Let me tell you the actual definition of cookies. These are small pieces of text sent to your browser by a website you visit. That small pieces of text help your website remember your information about your visit. Am I making sense of it? Let me show you. I visited Twitter with my account logged in, and I'm using a cookie editor extension to view my cookies like this. And if I open that, so you can see some data over here. All these data are related to my Twitter account. I will open another browser where I did not log into my Twitter account, and I'll open the cookie editor. As you can see the difference here, there are some parameters missing over here. So the data which is missing here are responsible for your logins and the account information. Yes, cookies will store your login information. So whenever you visit your social media account, you are not logging in every time. So it takes the information from your cookies and logs you in. So what all the tasks can a cookie do? It can track your browsing activity. Let me explain. You have searched for an Apple Watch on Amazon, and the next day if you are browsing something on the internet, you'll see some recommendations about the Apple Watch. So it saved your browsing information. Let's see the use of this in the server's perspective. Let's suppose we have an e-commerce website. The user logs into his account and adds some items into his cart. What we generally do is we'll save all the information of the cart into our database, and when the user opens his cart, we will retrieve that information and view that for him. Is it worth the space in the server? Actually not. We just want the details of the items which the user bought, but not the details of every item which the user adds into his cart. So we will not save them to the server, but we will create some cookies and save them in the user's browser. Now the problem is solved. The cookies save the information of the activity by the user, and when the user places the order, we'll just save the information of the user bought in the server. And the cart details will be saved into user browser, and whenever he logs in, he can see his cart with the cookies he had saved. And that's the solution for that. And now, is there any harm with these cookies? Yes, there is a harm. If the hacker gets an access to your device and steals the cookies, he can log into your account without your knowledge. Let me show you how. Now I have my Twitter account logged in this browser. I'll open my cookie editor and copy all the cookies here. And now I'll open another browser where my Twitter account is not logged in. I will just import all the cookies over here. Now see the magic. I'll just reload the website. I got my Twitter account logged in. It's just that simple. We can just log into your social media account or any other accounts with your cookies. So how can the hacker steal my cookies? So there are some projects which can steal your cookies. The hacker will send you a file, and when you open the file, it scrapes all your cookies information and it will send it to the hacker. So if the hacker gets your cookies, he'll just copy them to his browser and boom, they can log into your account without your password. So beware of them. If your cookies are stolen, and boom, everything is gone. And that's about the cookies. So I hope you got some knowledge over the cookies. I think that would help you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe the channel